Hi, it's Rich here at ITS, and we have just gone live with some brand new deals as part of our 4 weeks of Black Friday event. So if you have already checked out its.co.uk and seen what we've got on offer in Black Friday, then I guarantee head over there again and you'll find some brand new stuff. We've just turned on over 130 brand new deals this morning, being Friday morning. So if you're watching this, head over to ITS, check out the brand new deals. They're available on the homepage. There's a place where you can go and see them all. What I've done is I've just cherry picked some of my favourites, 5 or 6 of my favourites to talk you through today. But like I said, there are over 130 new deals. So head over to its.co.uk, check them all out. And remember to check back every single Friday morning throughout November, where there's going to be some brand new deals that you're going to absolutely love. So what have we got? Well, first of all, we've got an 8-piece heavy-duty chisel set here from our friends over at Vaunt. They come really nice, sturdy quality, single steel design all the way through the handle. We've got a 6mm all the way up to a 51mm and a few of the really key and important sizes in between. It all comes wrapped up in this really nice chisel roll with the carabiner at the top to store it on your belt. Very, very nice product, always really popular. But even better than that, what's better about that is the current price. In Black Friday, we've taken £20 off the normal price, and we can offer that to you for just $29.99 plus the VAT. Absolute bargain. While we're on hand tools and essentials that you get through day in, day out, check out this. We've got the 10-piece Stanley screwdriver set. Again, really good quality that you know you're getting from Stanley. All those different shapes and sizes of your screwdrivers, the one you're going to be using day in, day out. All that for just $12.99 plus the VAT. Great deal there for you for just having it in the van, in the tool bag, stuff you're going to rely on all the time. Talking of stuff you're going to rely on all the time, check out this. This is a Vaunt 79-piece accessory drill bit set. It's got the absolute fundamentals of all the drill bits that you're going to be using day in, day out, on site or even at home when you're picking those drills up doing your DIY. All of this that you see in front of you, there's 79 different accessories as well as the tool bag. This is included as well for just $24.99 plus the VAT. That's a saving of over 70% off the normal list price of all these bits. What have we got? We've got flat bits, we've got masonry bits, we've got some HSS drill bits as well. We've got some standard drill bits and some nut holders as well, nut drivers, and a huge range of screwdriver bits with posi bits, Phillips, slotted and Torx in there as well. So a brilliant set, 79 different accessories with the tool bag as well for just $24.99 plus the VAT. Absolute great deal that from our friends over at Vaunt. Then what's this little thing? This is absolute beauty. If you haven't got one of these, I couldn't advise you to get one, whether you're doing DIY or you're in the trade. This is a laser distance measure where you can obviously measure distances with a very quick flick of a button. You can line it up against the wall. You can give yourself a really quick and accurate measurement. This is the sort of thing is going to make tape measures a thing of the past. And right now we can offer this to you at just $19.99. That's £30 off its normal price. Really good quality with that one from Level Fix there. £20 plus the VAT, or under £20 plus the VAT for a brilliant laser distance measure. Then look at these two beauties. We've got two-piece kits or twin packs from our friends at Bosch and Makita. Starting with the Bosch one, we've got a really nice heavy-duty part of their Pro range, their professional range, and these are both brushless. So we've got a brushless Combi drill here with a metal heavy-duty chuck as well, and a really, really impressive brushless impact wrench that offers you 200 Newton meters of torque. It's seriously impressive. On that, we've also got two 5 amp hour batteries and the case and the charger as well, offering that to you with £100 off the list price from Bosch. We're going to do that at just $219.99. So £100 off the normal price, just $219.99 plus the VAT. Great deal from Bosch there. Over here, then we've got an old firm favourite, your Makita twin pack, Combi drill and impact driver. Again, these are both brushless tools, so the brushless Combi and the brushless impact driver. 18-volt LXT, so part of the huge Makita range, offering you the brushless Combi and brushless impact with two 3 amp hour batteries, the case and the fast charger that will charge those batteries in just 22 minutes, and that's from flat. And we can do that £20 off our normal price, and our normal price was a great deal anyway and was really popular. We've done an extra £20 off in Black Friday. This kit is just £199.99 plus the VAT. That's right, just £199.99. So under £200 for a brand new brushless Makita twin pack with two Makita 3 amp hour batteries, case, charger, and it's of course the Mac Stack stacking case, the Mac Pack stacking case rather. And this is another favourite of mine. This is a great deal. Again, from Vaunt, they've got a brand new range of storage, real heavy duty, good quality storage solutions. This is their wheeled tool bag as well. A couple of cool little features on this. Obviously it's nice and big, you can store absolutely loads and loads in this, but they've got this pretty cool handle that slots together and is actually really nice and comfortable and keeps that together. So you've gone on those days of having the Velcro handles that are, can get a bit tough and can get a bit hard to hold. So that's a really nice little addition there. Loads and loads of pockets, huge amount of storage on the inside, but more importantly, we've got our telescopic handle, and of course it's a wheeled tool bag as well. So a great quality product, and we're offering that in the Black Friday sale at half its normal price. So normally we'd sell that for £50 plus the VAT, but in Black Friday for the next few weeks, we're going to do that at just £24.99 plus the VAT for a brilliant Vaunt bag. So there you go, that gives you a bit of an overview of some of my favourite of the new deals we've just added today. Like I said, new deals are being added every single Friday morning throughout November. So if you don't see anything you like here, go check out the other 130 brand new deals that we've just launched over at its.co.uk. And of course, remember to look back every single Friday morning where you can find all the tools you need at the price you want over at its.co.uk. Check them out now.